比较顺口。
那还是说，哦，生。
Peru is an agricultural area. That's why we have those terraces. The terraces is the stairs. The stairs is for plantation, for food, in different elevation plantation.
所以它是不同层种不同的植物，温度略有差异。
所以像梯田应该不止某瑞那边有，
对，不止，只是它是圆形的。
That's amazing. I'm going to explain to you once we arrive in Peru.
Okay.
Alright? Chinchero was considered like one of these royal family palace. In Inca's time, we don't have it only one royal family. We have it 16 royal families. And all of them were split out in different directions. Machu Picchu was another royal family house. So that's why we have like this kind of building.
I tried this yesterday.
Yesterday, how was it? Good?
Sweet?
Not very sweet. Do you eat this kind of corn with salt?
Yes, with salt, butter, or cheese. But this one is pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Better than this.
The golden.
Yellow one.
The white one is not really sweet. Why? It's because this white corn we are used to make a drink that we call chicha.
Chicha.
Use this,
purple one.
not
The
one.
white, not the yellow one. That's why the drink is white color.
Chicha is not in purple?
No chicha morada. Chicha, the alcoholic drink, is white color. Chicha morada, the drink that you try it in a restaurant, is a refreshment, is an appetizer. But this is not made of this corn. It's made of purple corn. It's special. And where we are going to find one stone, really nice orange.
贵.
Food.
The guinea pig. But at the guinea pig, we are not farming for pets. We are farming for food.
Okay.
That's why when you get closer
Yeah.
and you want to pet them, it's not possible. Why? They are wild. The local lady is going to explain to you to know alpaca wool fiber, wool fiber, or llama wool fiber, and as well how they are dying, how they are weaving, how they are eating. This is a tea that we call munya tea. Munya is mint.
Oh,
It's
mint.
This is baby alpaca. You can touch. It's very different color, the baby alpaca, natural color.
It's only for a baby. For
Yes, only
the
baby.
adult will be touch different.
Others. This Inca shampoo.
樱花香露，
This fruit name is Sarta.
棍子产生那个汁，对不对？它那一颗就是石头吧？
它过滤，
No like a shampoo. No.
不会做到冰糕吧？
它把那个渣渣拿掉，然后它就要洗毛给人看。
This dirty wool. Alpaca and sheep, they never take a shower. It's feel white. One moment they do.
我觉得后面的天竺鼠，
因为贵。
This
贵。哦。
before and
不然
One thread for the cut,
哦，它
three
是
threads
吃
the
草哎
thread the needle. This good
炒
for the
进去就
dyeing
安静了
process.
哎。
对啊，
For
会
the
是炒
dyeing
不
process,
进
we use the leaves, strong in the different plants, the different places. This is a coca leaf, no coca leaf. Same green color.
所以那个是红色，所以先跟那个
This color.
仙人掌果一样，
For second color, lemon juice.
换颜色。
Use for the leaves. last 24 hours.
Ah, 24.
Yes. Now I am going to put the coconut powder. We use for the fixing lemon juice, alum stone. And you ready for take a picture? What is this?
The deer?
Yes, the alcohol. This is the bones. Which bones? This is the tourist bone. The tourist bone. You didn't buy anything.
大人反应，
No, I'm kidding. Not tourist bone. It's llama bone.
这是那么
Mama.
哦，
Lama.
Its name is
看着骄傲
Ruki.
到地步。
I should not copy the computer the paper. This is the memory.
他还整线把它整到更紧一点。
哦，他们是用骨头来做这件事哦。
These are planted designs. This wrong is typical designs only Chinchero name Moray.
好像都只有琴切肉的，这个
Yes.
是有这种条纹。
哎，is ado avlepaka。然后
You can just tell
是
touch different, but you don't know which one.
这个比较黏，
对羊还是比
对啊
较，就算是老的羊驼还是
比较软。
It is only baby.
And these adult alpaca or baby alpaca with beautiful colors is because all of these women already use these natural dyes to
Nature.
give it the color.
Yes.
And if you are going to buy like this,
Yes.
is natural alpaca color.
Natural alpaca.
Yeah, because we have black alpacas, brown
是它
alpacas, white
这是染色，这是它
这是它天然的毛
颜。色。
OK，
But the colors of this stuff never wear up. No machine.
Baby.
哦，
And also you have to do it with shampoo. Baby shampoo because it's more soft in material.
OK，
Because the people have to come from Cusco to buy here. And from here they are going to sell in different prices.
Different price.
No confusing with street vendors. In Cusco we have street woman vendors who are offering jumpers, whatever. But this is not the original quality. That's why like this jumper could be like 20 soles or 30 soles or 10 soles or 15 soles. Because this is not alpaca wool.
Yeah, white.
They can tell to you this is alpaca, but they wanna sell it. That's why they are going to offer to you. But actually one alpaca jumper or like this is over 100 soles, but it's a good quality. We call that place Machucolca, means food storage. Inca times the Incas need to place all the food in storage,
Yes.
right? Like this kind of places were used like storage. Why in these places?
so
It's
hot.
because it's
High.
too high.
Temperature,
eh,
low temperature.
It's more high. Open the doors, open the windows, and you will have enough ventilation inside the building. It's like a natural cooler to keep the food in fresher condition.
alpaca
Alpaca.
alpaca。
But this alpaca is too good.
我觉得小 BB 也好可爱哦。
还有人在遛狗啊？
哦，它绑在那。
聊天的。
哦，我们去跟他合照吗？阿碧阿碧过来。
你如果跟他拍照要怎么样？
那就这样。
你要吗？脖子上。
哦。
还有小只的，small one，baby。
Lamb。
哦，好小只哦。
Donkey。
哎，他们四肢一定要走同一边哦。
What's that on the line?
This one is assigned to
Yeah.
buy chicha, the alcoholic drink.
Follow this sign, you can find a way to find the teacher. 这广告呢？
天很好。
谁会来买？
It's a chicha bar.
Alright.
我们要把披肩拿出来。
下一个盐田要着装。
哇！哇！不过我们可能没有办法走下去，我们时间没有那么多。
This place is called Moray. Moray is a Quechua word which means dehydrated potato. This is not the original name of this place. Nobody knows what is the name of this place because this place was discovered very late in 1949 by the archaeologists, the people who studied this place in the first years.
调查这些石头，采发现石头里面有某些矿石的成分，然后红外线方式散出来，这样他们才知道。
那么100公尺只降0.6，我想说怎么可能这样就降那么多？
所以它22到18度，差了快4度，但是它只有18公尺。
彼此这样往中间，所以温度才会一致。如果今天是平的，好像就没有那么。
你最上面的它可能只能达到它自己这一层，所以下面会比较热。
它每一个圈圈都是在模拟不同的温度、高度、湿度下的种植。
实际下面3层是丛林的
jungle
是比较湿、比较热的。
对，
接下来4层是
沿岸的。全世界的食物中，可能有60%都是当时印加人发明，就是发现的。
那个都是啊。
对啊 ，potato 他们 potato 这么多种，他可能传个几种到全世界各地而已。
Just for a little bit, like this.
差距呢？
No worries about
不用担心它很脏，缓和一下吧。
但体力这么弱，惊不我才爬3阶而已。
哎，我都不爱对啊。